how to share your Messenger contacts with others. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Messenger on your device. Select the conversation made with the person whose Messenger and Facebook details you want to share with others. For example, let's say I want to share the contact details of Rocking Mario with my another friend. Tap on the info icon at the top, scroll down to the end of the page. In the More Actions section, you will see an option to share contact. Tap on it. Now search for the friend with whom you want to share these details with. Once found, tap the send button next to their name. Now come back to the chat section, open up the conversation with whom you just shared the details. As you can see, I have successfully shared Rocking Mario's Facebook and Messenger details with my another friend. Now, if the recipient taps on the profile option, then they will be directed to that person's Facebook profile. Tap on the cross icon. Now, if they tap on the message option, then the recipient will be directed to their messenger to direct chat with that person. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to share contacts with others on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.